Hello everyone. So I have come to NIT Goa to attend the conference. So let's have a NIT Goa campus tour. As a guest of honor, we have Raja Gopal Naidu sir, STPC conference from 10 to 13 December, and here we also as chief guest CM sir, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Here are the list of the keynote speakers at the STPC conference. So let's go inside the campus. Here verification of the candidates take place. Let's move to the last screen campus. As you can see, there's a main building of NIT Goa. Maybe admin block. Yes, it's admin block. I love STPC 2025. So this is the complex where the conference activities will take place, or even the poster session of my paper will happen today around 5:30. So let's go to the Gyan Mandir complex. Station section. What has to be help text. Here station desk this side. So here the registration kit is distributed at this place. Now we are going for the breakfast. Keynote speaker. हाँ भाई साहब रेडी प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए रेडी ऑल द बेस्ट already breakfast is going on. I am nervous. हाँ वही बात है वही ना अंकुश लंच के लिए रेडी होते हुए पूरा अच्छे से प्लेट धोते हुए स्वीट वन है हेलो the breakfast section. We are ready for breakfast. So we have poha, then we have potato vada, fruit salad. Here we have this cold coffee and hot coffee. Now let's go to the complex where the most of the lectures of keynote speakers is going on. Mandavi Seminar Complex. NIT Goa model. Here is the Terek Hall hostel. Now we are going towards the hostel where I am staying since 2 days. This is Abdul Kalam complex. This is the GD Naidu Engineering Workshop complex. This is the canteen. Pahar Ghar. Then here we have CV Raman Complex. This is the Canara Bank in NIT Goa campus. Now we are moving towards the ground of NIT Goa. It is named Vyavhar Ghar for the banking purpose. NIT Goa ground. And this is the Talpona hostel where we are staying since 2 days. You can see red soil all over due to the presence of iron oxide, due to which the soil in this region is always red in color. We have basketball ground. So this is the hostel, Talpona hostel, where we are staying.
Industry, but then there was the possibility to stay at the university. I got an offer, and I decided to take that offer, and so I decided to stay there. And
So here all students are gathered here for poster session. So a series of posters have been erected. This is the first one, then this is the second one. Now this poster is mine. Energy management in grid connected microgrid by using the hippopotamus information algorithm. Himanshu Raj and Supriya Jaiswal. Okay. In a similar manner, other posters are also has been erected.
वो सब कितने कूल थे यार वो Such a cute puff यार इनसे मिला था मैं जनरल चेयर है
The Chief Minister of Goa is a dedicated public servant with a deep-rooted commitment to social welfare and the empowerment of people. As an Ayurvedic doctor, he began his journey in social service early in life and went on to establish the NGO Sai Life Care, which continues to impact lives through healthcare, education, women's empowerment. I now take the privilege to introduce our BOD chair, Shri Bolineni Rajgopal Naidu Garu, to Industry Academia Collaboration and Talent Cultivation. I now request Professor O.R. Jaiswal ji to felicitate Professor Chu.
Cute professor बीजेपी वाला चेहरा से चिढ़ता है खड़ा नहीं हुआ
Minister, the chairman and the director of NIT Goa. As chairman, as general chair of this conference, I would say extend my great appreciation to all of you, especially to the organizing team without your full support, is no chance to have the bigger success like this. Okay. Today, we have so many keynote speakers and the experts. So we can expect we will have a really good technical programs in the industry high side and the support. So I encourage all of you to take all the advantage of these opportunities, exchange ideas, build connections, and explore new collaborations. Thank you once again.
Good evening to everyone gathered here today. It is wonderful to be with all of you for the IEEE for the 4th International Conference on the Smart Technology for the Power, Energy and Control here at the NIT Goa. Before I begin, let me acknowledge Sri Rajgopal Naiduji, the Chairperson of the Board of Governors of NIT Goa, as the guest of honor, the Professor O.R. Jaiswal, the Director of NIT Goa, Dr. Pradyum Chaturvedi, the General Chair for the STPEC 2025, Dr. Hung Jen Chu, the General Chair for the STPEC 2025, Dr. Sumitra Das, Organizing Chair for the STPEC 2025, Dr. Suresh Mikhil, all the delegates, the industry partner, the students, and the STPEC 2025 Organizing Committee. Honorable Prime Minister has inaugurated this campus on the 6th of February 2024. First time I got this opportunity to visit this campus. So it is a too beautiful campus. Whatever the support you required in future from the government of Goa, we are there. Definitely will support you. This gathering shows how far India's scientific and engineering community has traveled and how far it is prepared to go. It also reflects the border directions guideline by Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi's vision for energy secure India, and the support of Goa receives through the double engine Sarkar approaches where the state and center work in continuity. We meet at a time when the country has achieved an important milestone. As of the 30th June 2025, India's total installed power capacity stands for 845 gigawatt, out of which it is a 243 gigawatt, nearly the 50% comes from the non-fossil source. This target has been reached 5 years ahead of the schedules, which is a huge achievement.